Hello everyone, welcome to Gurukul Online Learning Network's vocal training sessions. Today, our subject is musical instruments. So we will learn about various kinds of musical instruments today. There are so many kind of musical instruments in Hindustani classical music, but some common instruments are used to practice Hindustani classical music. First of all, this is called harmonium. Harmonium is a very common musical instrument in Hindustani classical music. We perform khayal or different types of classical music in harmonium. So there are some parts of harmonium. We can divide harmonium in three parts. The first part is called udara, the second part is called mudara, and the third part is called tara. And this is called the bellow. The bellow, it blows the air in the harmonium. There is some keys, and if you turn on them, then the air comes in and the harmonium produces the sound. So this is the mechanism of the harmonium. After that, we will go to tanpura. This is tanpura. This is acoustic tanpura actually. This part is called the tabli, and there are 4 strings in tanpura. The first strings is tuned in pancham or pa. The second and the third string is tuned in sharaj or sa, and the fourth string is tuned in also in sharaj. This is the breeze, and these are the good keys, and these 4 are the tuning corks. Then we go to the electric tanpura. So electric tanpura is very easy to carry and very easy to use because you don't need to tune it. There are some buttons. You just press the buttons and the tanpura, the electric tanpura starts to play. You just need to connect it to electricity and then it just plays by its own. So this is very easy to use for students who are learning music, and also very easy to carry. So this is very popular nowadays. After that, you can use your smartphone to install an app of tanpura. There is so many apps in Play Store and in App Store. You can install a app of tanpura, and you can also use it to practice your vocal or to perform. So there are several kinds of musical instruments in Hindustani classical music, but we only discussed about 4 of them today, and these are very basic instruments. You can practice, you can perform with these instruments. However, the other instruments we have in our Indian classical music, we will discuss about them in our next classes when we will discuss about acoustic instruments. For now, these 4 instruments are very useful for the beginners. So choose whatever instrument from these 4 and try to practice with them. Thank you, and we are finishing today's class today. Now, thank you.